So today they are holding Chiradodi Utsav. So we are going to discuss about that. How Raghunath Das Goswami was delivered by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishnu Patak. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Sunnavadi Paschatto Desutayana. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Jita Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Chagajatam Raghunathan Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Deva Sri Radha Krishna Padan Saragana Lagita Sri Vishakamitamscha. Dr. Kanchan Gaurangi Radhe Binda Vaneshwari Bhushabhanusute Devi Panomami Haripriya Prakarpotra Bhascha Kipasindhu Bhayocha Patitanam Pavane Bho Vaishnave Panavanaho Sri Chaitanya Manavishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Sayam Rupakaramayam Dadati Sapadantikam Namo Mahabhadanaya Krishna Prem Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Deve Gauri Tushe Namo. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama. Prabhupada said, our path is path of the Goswamis. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Krishna. He is Krishna, but with the mood of Radharani, topmost devotee, he is showing how to render devotional service. And his direct followers are the 6 Goswamis. So we are the followers of the 6 Goswamis. Those are in-house, supposed to follow their footprint. Here is one of them, is Raghunath Das Goswami, comes from a very rich family, has got beautiful wife, like Apsara. Once in Shantipur, take it out. This is coat. Thank you very much. These are actually impediments in one sense. They are the Janma, high birth, I am coming from a top class Brahmin, something like that. Janma, Oishwarja, too much opulent life, very rich. And he comes from rich family. Krishnapur still is there, you can go from Mayapur, not that far, from Navadvip side. Still that place is there. And there used to be very rich man, one of the richest in Bengal at that time. Maybe yearly income at that time 12 lakhs, now maybe more than 120 crore maybe, something like that, every year. Very rich man. And being only 2 brothers, Hiranya and Govardhan, they are the tax collector of the government. They don't give all tax. Save Lord. One guy, envious Muslim, he used to be that. He said, you don't give me only taking all these things, I will inform the government. So the government will come to check you and arrest you. You are not giving everything, huh? Holding a large portion. Here you see how Raghunath Das first saw in Shantipur, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and so enchanted, captivated. Seeing Chaitanya, I wanted to at once join him, giving up his wife, his opulence, all those things, he doesn't care. His mother, father talking. Father is telling, his father and mother talking among themselves. Father is saying, one who is mad after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you cannot keep him at home. Though I have brought for him a very beautiful like officer, like wife, he is not attracted. He is not attracted to all wealth, money, all these things. So if we are attracted by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then this is Vairagya. You cannot forcibly do something. You have to have hired something to give up lower thing. But we are still near conditioned soul. He is Bhagavad Parshad is teaching us by acting like that. Sometimes Krishnadas, Kaviraj, many others like that. Prabhupada said, this is, we should cultivate. For us it's a lip service. We say, I am Prabhupada, I am nothing. We say, no, you are not nothing. You don't think like that. I don't say all these things. Try to learn from this. So we have to learn how Raghunath Das was delivered. That means we can be delivered also like that. What happened? So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him so many instructions. At once, don't become. Go back to your room, doesn't matter. You take care of your family life, your money, father's business, this, that. Nothing wrong. But at heart, antare nishtha karo. At heart remain renowned. Don't be attached. Prabhupada says, still now, sometimes memory of my wife comes. But I am not attached to her. I never liked her. I did my duty, told her many things. She didn't, she takes it easy. I told her sometime, look, cooperate with me, preaching Krishna consciousness. And the son, I saw his son, Prabhupada, chastising in front of me. So take care of him, give him room, give him prasad, take care, whatever he needs. Okay, Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, you can make some money, maintain your family, I will give you our ISKCON book. You sell here the bookstall. So, the husband-wife talking, seeing his mother very much worried, his father says, okay, you want him? His mother says, keep him one room locked up and guard. Prabhupada said, this is not possible. Don't do all this. Be practical. I will have many servants to always 24 hours keep an eye on him. You want to go somewhere, 2-3 persons go with him. He is taking bath, there is some taking care of him. To carry him somewhere, there must be horse or palkin. So they will be actually walking, he cannot run away. Even when he is sleeping, there will be many guards. But still he tried to run away to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I remember once Prabhupada was asked, George Harrison, how do I know who is a pure devotee or a guru? Pure devotee, he can be guru. So Prabhupada says, see, in short tale, just in a capsule, see who is crazy. Everybody is crazy after something, mad. See who is crazy after Krishna. Are you crazy after Krishna? No. So many things we are attracted. Then you can have Vairagya, real Vairagya, not forcible I won't eat, palatable dishes, all this. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he tried to run away. Every time those men catch him and bring him back to his father. So what Raghunath can do? Father and mother very pleased after coming from Chaitanya, suddenly he tried to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At heart, he is remembering Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction and acting, taking care of his father's business, taking care of his wife, maintaining his wife, everything. Father and mother is very pleased. Father and mother is very pleased. Krishna knows his heart. Krishna created a situation, he got a chance to run away. So one day he came to know in Panihati village, Nityananda Prabhu is non-different from Chaitanya Prabhu, most dearest person, associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He has come with all his followers. So many followers, names he has given, I can read it. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu under a tree, they say still that tree is there. We go there, one tree is there. On the bank of the Ganges of Panihati village, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also in there. So village, he is sitting like a millions of sun, effulgent, encircling him, all the followers sitting. He went from a distance, he paid obeisance. One of his followers, Nityananda Prabhu, here comes Raghunath. Nityananda Prabhu, here comes Raghunath, paying you obeisance. What? Nityananda Prabhu is by nature a little funny. He makes fun. But I thought, he is very nice to devotees. He said, you are hiding like a thief, huh? Bring him here. I will give him punishment. Actually, fun. Huh? He's not coming. Drag him. And he put his feet over his head. You are hiding from us. Long time, I'll give you punishment. All these my followers there arrange a festival of feast of chira dahi. It's very nice. You take chira dahi. We do. It's a different place. Indonesia, so many places we do. Flat rice and dahi and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu like one type of banana small, very sweet. Sugar, one flat rice and yogurt, one flat rice and milk, and banana, and to mix it, you can put other fruits, sweet meat, sandesh, sandesh, cheese, sweet cheese meat, and there's camphor, I don't know, I can't remember, maybe a few other things, these are main. So Raghunath, so happy, because you can only please the Lord. Best way is serve those who are his devotee. So our goal should be how to please Prabhupada and other Vaishnava. Even unknowingly so much offense we are doing, but always serve the Vaishnava. Thereby, Lord consider your case. So many aparadhas you have done. You will be free. Lord will square it up. Consider. There are many instances like that. So, the moment Raghunath heard, he was in ecstasy. Oh, I have got a chance. He said, Chariya Vaishnava Seva, Nishtay Peche Keva. Without serving Vaishnava, you cannot easily please the Lord. Simply serving Lord, no. There is sometimes one become very puffed up, high nose. Lord doesn't accept that nicely. Serve the Vaishnava. So here is the chance Prabhupada gave. In ISKCON is a society of Vaishnava. Always serve the Vaishnava. Of course, somebody is superior, you serve automatically. If it's equal, you feed him, he will feed you. This is Priti Lakkhanam. Somebody is not junior to you, not so, try to help him, encourage him, inspire him. Like that. That is the Goswami. He was very, at once he asked his men with him, go, all the local grocers, shop, everything, all flat rice, all the milkmen local, tell them all their milk bring here. And buy all the sweet shops, yogurt, they sell milkmen, all that yogurt bring here. He's a rich man, he can buy everything. So, you simply have to order. They're doing. Go to the potters, bring huge pot so that Nityananda Prabhu can mix up. And for everybody, serve small pots too. So they can mix one with flat rice, yogurt, flat rice, milk. Wash it with Ganges water and then start mixing. Some people have got the chance, some are doing this, some are serving them. Flat rice, this. Some yogurt, some milk, some banana. You order and they are from the market bringing. Knowing this then, as there is a festival, Brahmins are coming to see. Many people coming, many those are sell, vendors going, they came out of curiosity. They say, you stay here, give your things here, and we will take prasad here. And this is going on. So many people are serving. They line them up near the Ganges side. The place is still there. So many groups come and do that every year. And Nityananda Prabhu change his clothes. He said, bring this, wash these pots. He himself start mixing. Invite the Brahmins, give them exalted position, right? Sit them with honor. Welcome them, please sit. Give them, receive them nicely with keep chandan, garland. Each of them, the Brahmins, they are sitting. Serve them first. And he has a seat and he said, make another extra seat here. With the mixing going on, Nityananda Prabhu sat down sometime after mixing. Others are serving. Nityananda Prabhu sat down, meditating on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared there, sitting, wherever he maybe was. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Nityananda Prabhu, oh, mixing, they already served? Let us go, see how they are doing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when they are mixing, Nityananda Prabhu taking from their pot, the mixture is made, putting on the mouth of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he is doing? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also take from another pot, one more cell, push on the mouth of Nityananda Prabhu, both are eating. Start eating, everybody now. And they are again doing, everybody seeing the fun. Mostly they are seeing Nityananda Prabhu doing something. Among them, some are fortunate souls. They are saying, hey, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also there. Huh? He is feeding them. Everybody is enjoying the fun. Among them, there are many devotees who are all Mahaprabhu's Parshad. Parshad, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everybody chant, Hari Bol. Everybody is chanting. It resounded the whole universe, it says. They remembered their pastimes with Krishna and Balaram as their cowherd boy on the bank of Jamuna. They'll be having feast. If you go to Kamavan, still that place is there. It's called Bhojan Sthali. At that time, Jamuna was not very far. Here instead of Jamuna, on the bank of Ganges, Chaitanya Nityananda was telling, I am a cowherd boy, you may not know. At that time they saw Raghav Pandit. Raghav Pandit and his sister, Damayanti, supposed to be a great devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whatever they cook tastes like as good as Radharani is cooking. Radharani is supposed to be the best cook. That's why Mother Jasoda gave her so many presents, nice saris, so many types of ornaments. Every girl likes to dress nicely. And ask, naturally, she is obliged to say, can you cook for my son? Why? Because Radharani got blessing that whoever eat Radharani's cooking, he will live long, long time. Every mother likes his son live long. So Mother Jashoda, what is best, he will give it for Krishna. She is not Krishna's mother. God has no mother. But there is the loving exchange. Somebody wants to serve Krishna like a mother, Krishna accepts. We can think of. And Krishna enjoys. And giving punishment. What a great devotee Mother Jashoda. What a great devotee Nanda Maharaj. They are not father, mother of God. But God give them chance to serve Him as father and mother and chastise, like other boys are chastised. Krishna sometimes want to be like that. I am also chastised. He enjoys. This is very nice and sweet. God doesn't like always worship me, that's reverence. He is far away. Keeping him. He wants to come. Close relation. This is called rasa. Rasa means mellow. Enjoy. Just like a lover and beloved, enjoy fighting sometime. Isn't it? You'll go away, today you won't stay? No, I won't let you go. Close the door. Still now, in India they have this thing. Mother, don't go to school without eating. I won't let you go. Close the door. Go, son. Or Krishna. Sometime, he said, Krishna is crazy. Why? Ask the gopis. Haribol, yes? I want something. Can you give me? Yes? You have got so many nice pearls. So, what do you want? I want some. Can you give us some? Still that place is there. They say, what will you do with the pearls? You have got your mother. No, I require many. So all of you have got pearls. Everybody give some to me. What will you do? I want to garland my beloved cows. To the animal? Giving pearls? I love them. I want to make the garland them with pearls. So many cows, where do you get so many? I will make many from this. How? I will plant them and tree come, from the tree grow more, and I'll give all my cows. What? He's crazy. No, Baba, we are not going to give you. This is expensive pearl. You're mad. Growing pearls in the tree? Krishna, we don't give? Okay, I will see you. Krishna is nice pastime, related. Just make it short. I like it. Say, Mom, can you give me some pearls? What will you do? With pearls. I'll give you ornaments, pearl. I want many, as much as you can give. What will you do? I'll grow pearls for my cow. I'll get garden. You are mad? People will see, listen and say, you are crazy. Pearls will grow in a tree. Yes, Mom. Yeah. Mother won't give. Mother, I am going. Today I am going to forest. I am not coming now. I don't know. Won't take breakfast? Take. No. This is called man. Man means false anger. Sorry. This is very nice. The beloved and lover have got sometimes like this. Very often also with others, anybody, lover, beloved. Whatever rasa it may be. And you know that story, how he went. Mother gave later on, said, he won't eat. Then mother, what can he do? He knows mother's weakness. If I don't eat, mother will be forced to give me. Then he said, Mom, only parts won't do. I'm going, why? You have to give me 2 days, quite a few buckets of milk every day. What will you do with the bucket of milk? We cannot give water. What? To grow all these birds. What? You're wasting this milk? Fool number one? Nutcase. You don't understand. Wasting so much milk, putting in the ground. Otherwise I can't get birds. Just like any little boy, he'll tell mother. Claim, he knows if he does not eat, mother will be forced to give. Everybody knows other's weakness. Mother has weakness. Mother, if I don't eat, mother won't eat. Still this in India there. Mother, son, we are not getting, father, what they know, they don't want, he will do. I won't eat whole day. Go away. Very nice. So mother knows what he likes to eat in the morning. I know. Krishna very early in the morning they give the offer in the temple. Butter, Krishna likes butter. Also Balaram. And rock candy, pistachios, nuts mixed together. And some cheese. Cottage cheese like, cottage cheese you have got in Australia? In England, as we make the cheese in India, like that sort of cheese. The Indians know. And a mix. And Krishna eats, Balaram eats early in the morning. Something substantial. Very good. Little if you eat, good. And then morning go out, he take fruits mixed with mixed fruit with little rice maybe. And make Mother Jashoda, make packet of it, give. Every mother knows, not necessarily everybody takes that. All the cowherd boys, every mother knows what he takes this time. He loves it and make packet. And they tie it up, make the packet with a stick, tie it up and hang it on a tree where they eat. The boys, they remember those things. And Nityananda Prabhu say, I remember, I was a cowherd boy, is that. And the boys, all the boys, they also, with Krishna and Balaram, used to have a picnic on the bank of Jamuna. They remembered all those things. They remembered when they are eating. Here, instead of Jamuna, is the Ganga. There is only the difference. Raghav Pandit came, they always cook. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there are few places Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot stay anywhere. If his devotee, Damayanti, and cook so nicely, nice prasadam for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Wherever Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there, he will go there and eat all these things. Even in their house, he may be Jagannath. Sometime, Krishna said, Nahum Prakash, I do not manifest myself to anybody or everybody. Out of love and affection to it, he appears. And sometime show that he is there eating. Same thing for mother Sachi. Sachi so many times cooked so many things. Nimai had been here, he could see, eat all those. Every mother wants to see son is enjoying what she cooks. Husband is enjoying. Every mother wants to see. Sometime he appears. Nityananda, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mother Sachi thinks, I'm sitting here, had Nimai been here, I could have feed him, leave it out, he is here now, Jagannath Puri. Suddenly he fall asleep maybe. See, maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come and eating all these things. Suddenly, who ate all these things? Nothing is there? Go, let me check. Did I cook? Yeah, I cooked. Enough. And I put all this fat from him. But in a dream she sees Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is eating. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent one guy, I forgot his name, I don't know, Ishan, not Ishan. Say, tell those days I went to mother and ate prasadam there, so she cooked. This way he does pastime with his dear and near ones. Here also, where Nityananda Prabhu dance, and he cannot, Mahaprabhu, go to see Nityananda's dance. Evening, Raghav Pandit and Damayanti cook so nicely, also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here Raghav Pandit invited Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu came, but doing all these things in the bank of the Ganges, daytime. So he came. Nityananda Prabhu, what is going on here? He's supposed to be in my house, not very far. 2 minutes, 3 minutes from that place, he walked. Still that place is there. Nitai Gaur, Radheshyam, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. They take over all these places. So many places. We go to see that place. They have got all these things. So Nityananda Prabhu said, Krishna consciousness means everyday feast. Every day, as many as possible. This is Ananda. Nacho gao, karo sankirtan, chant, sing, do sankirtan, then feast, serve the Vaishnava. This is Krishna consciousness. Don't have to push your nose, stand on head, leave your family, your job, your country, go to Himalaya, sit down in a cave with minimum thing, requirement, or go to Mansarovar, severe cold, almost frozen, up to neck, and chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. No, not necessary. Simply do this and you realize everything. What is the use of doing so much tapasya? Too little. Come back early in the morning, get up. Cold maybe, get up still. Take quick shower. Tilak, come, sing, dance in front of. There, Radha Krishna. Gaurita is there. Krishna Balaram is there. This is Vrindavan. You cannot go to Vrindavan. I have got money, I can go. You cannot go. Vrindavan is here, you can feel. They are here. But we don't have faith, we cannot see. Who has got faith, Krishna can reveal, look, I am here. He will talk. He can even walk. You have to qualify yourself. You have to know how to please Krishna. That Mother Jashoda knows. That Nanda Baba knows. Graduate, you have to follow their footprint. That Prabhupada knows. You have to learn depending on time, place, circumstances. Here Nityananda Prabhu. Here Raghunath Das showing us, teaching us how to please the Vaishnava, how to please Raghunath, Nityananda Prabhu, so that he can please. He can have the association of Chaitanya Prabhu and serve him as one of the closest intimate associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Very simple. So enthusiastically he is doing. And so many great devotees joined. The name is given, Uddharan Datta Thakur, yeah. There's so many guys. Ramdas, Sundarananda, Das Gadadhar, Murari, Kamalakar, Sadashiv Purandar, Dhananjay, Jagadish, Parameshwar Das, Mahesh Gauri Das, Hor Krishna Das, Uddharan Datta Adi, Joto Nijgan, Upare Bosila Sab, Ke Kare Ganan. Similarly, Uddharan Datta Thakur, many other personal associates of the Lord, sat on the raised platform with Nityananda Prabhu. No one could count them. Suni Pandit Bhattacharya Jata Vipraila Manna Kari Prabhu Tare Upare Basaila. Nityananda Prabhu showed respect with honor, made them sit on a high place. So, I've already said what it is. So by serving, And then Nityananda Prabhu, they say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said, Raghunath, Nityananda Prabhu, Kripalu Dar, Raghunathir Bhagya Eto, Koila Angikar. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are extremely merciful and liberal. It was Raghunath Das' good fortune that they accepted all these dealings. So, Hari chant, Hari Hari. Hari Hari boli Vaishnav karaye bhojan, Pulin bhojan sabar hoilo saran. When they are saying Hari Hari, then remembering Brajendra Nandan Jain, who was the darling of Vrindavan, everybody loves him. The same Krishna came here as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as darling of Mother Sachi. And below Balaram came as Nityananda. They remember they used to have picnic on the bank of Jamuna. That place is still there, but the Jamuna is little far now from that place. The place is still there. It is not story. 500 years. And that is 5,000 years from now. See, Ram Dasadi go Prema Vishtohila, they are in ecstasy. Though it is on the bank of the Ganges, they remember their picnic on the bank of Jamuna with Krishna and Balaram. Sometimes Krishna is exhausted, sometimes Balaram is exhausted, Krishna is massaging his feet. Sometimes Krishna is exhausted, he will be putting his head on the thigh of some devotee, of some cowherd boy. Other cowherd boy will be massaging his feet. Some will bring a big leaf of a palm tree and fanning him. Some others saying, oh, he's fanning, I will also serve better than him. Go and put the palm leaves under the Jamuna water and fan Krishna Bhuna, saying, oh, like air condition. Like that. And they remember all these things and enjoy. Mahotsav Suni Pasuri Nanagram Hoite Chiradodi Sandesh Kala Anilo Bechite. Those who are selling banana, those who are selling yogurt, platter, they knowing there is a festival. Even the rich people. I saw Raghunath, you came here, I buy all your things. You don't go back. You take here, you will have a feast. You eat here. Kautuk dekhite ailo joto jan. Many people out of curiosity came to see. And Raghunath said, do not go, you are all invited here. You are my guest. Please sit here and take prasad. Bhojan kori Nityananda Achman koila Charikundir avashesh Raghunathe dila. Nityananda Prabhu finished his prasad and the 4 pots, 2 his and 2 Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's, rest remnants gave to Raghunath. And few other pots were there, he gave the rest to other devotees. The Brahmins there, they brought garland and sandalwood to offer to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu used some and distributed among all the devotees. They said, give garland all the devotees and chandan, ready. And Nityananda Prabhu was offered with pan and tambul, Nityananda Prabhu all divided among themselves. Raghunath was very pleased getting the remnants of Nityananda Prabhu. And with his associates, he shared it. This is called Chiradoi Mahotsav Utsav. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu went to take rest at the end of the day. Then Ragham Pandit started Kirtan in his house. Later Nityananda Prabhu will be coming there to start dancing, and then to see dance, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again appeared there and watching how Nityananda is dancing. But that everybody cannot see. Some fortunate soul, which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu allowed, could see that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there and dancing. Next day, Nityananda Prabhu again went back early in the morning taking bath. After feast at night, next morning, again under the tree he sat down with all associates. Wherever is Nityananda in there, he is not alone. Then, Raghav Pandit came and to appeal to Nityananda Prabhu, telling through Raghav Pandit, not himself approach. He is saying, Raghav Pandit pay obeisance to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to Nityananda Prabhu. And through Raghav Pandit, he requested this way, Adham pamor mui hino jivadham mor ichha hai pam Chaitanya charan. My dear Lord Nityananda Prabhu, I am the lowest of men. Actually, he realized this. Prabhupada said, this is meant for us. We should learn from this. How should I approach? I am the lowest of men. We don't realize this. We realize I am a great devotee. The most sinful, fallen, condemned. Nevertheless, I desire to attain the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. বামন হইয়া যেন চান্দা ধরিবারে চায়, অনেক যত্ন কইনু তাতে কভু সিদ্ধ নয়. Like a dwarf who wants to catch the moon, I have tried my best many times, but I have never been successful. So many times I tried to run away. যতবার পালাই আমি গৃহাদি ছাড়িয়া, পিতা মাতা দুই মোরে রাখো এ বান্ধিয়া. Every time I tried to go away from home, give up my home relationship, my father, my mother, unfortunately kept me bound. তোমার কৃপা বিনা কেহ চৈতন্য না পায়, তুমি কৃপা কইলে তারে অধমেও পায়. No one can attain the shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu without your mercy. But if you are merciful, even the lowest of men can attain the shelter at his lotus feet. অযোগ্যময়ী নিবেদন করিতে করি ভয়, মোরে চৈতন্য দেহ গোসাই হইয়া সদয়. Although I am unfit, greatly afraid to submit this plea, I nevertheless request you, sir, be especially merciful towards me by granting me shelter at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Please use your feet, put your feet on my head. Give me the benediction that I may achieve the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu without difficulty. I pray this benediction. শুনি হাসি কহে প্রভু সর্বভক্তগণ, ইহার বিষয় সুখ ইন্দ্র সমে. After hearing this appeal by Raghunath Das, Lord Nityananda Prabhu smiled and told all his devotees, this Raghunath Das standard of material happiness is equal to that of Indra, the king of heaven. Because of the mercy bestowed upon him by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Raghunath Das, although situated in such a material happiness, does not like it at all. Therefore, let every one of you be merciful to Nityananda Prabhu is telling his devotees, merciful towards him. Give him the benediction that he may very soon attain the shelter of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One who experiences the fragrance of the lotus feet of the Lord Krishna does not even value the standard of happiness available in Brahmaloka, the topmost planet, and what to speak of heavenly happiness. Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is offered sublime, poetic prayers by those trying to attain his favor. Thus, he is known as Uttama Sloka, being very eager to gain the association of Lord Krishna. King Bharat, although in the prime of youth, gave us his very attractive wife, affectionate children, most beloved friends, an opulent kingdom, exactly as one keeps up stool after excreting it. তবে রঘুনাথ প্রভু নিকটে বলাইলা তার মাথা পদে ধরি কহিতে লাগিলা. The Lord Nityananda Prabhu called Raghunath Das near him, placed his feet upon his Raghunath's head and began to speak. তুমি যে করাইলা এই পুলিন ভোজন তোমায় কৃপা করি গৌর কইল আগমন. My dear Raghunath, he said, since you arranged this feast on the bank of the Ganges, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here just to show you his mercy. He called him. By his causeless mercy, he ate the cheap rice and milk. Then, after seeing the dancing of the devotees at night, he took his supper. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here personally to deliver you. Now, rest assured that all the impediments meant for you, your bondage, are all gone. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will accept you, place you under the charge of his secretary Swarup Damodar. You will thus become one of the most confidential internal servants and will attain the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Being assured of all these, return to your own home. Very soon, without impediments, you will attain the shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Nityananda had Raghunath Das blessed by all the devotees, and Raghunath Das offered his respect to their lotus feet. Thank you very much. This is today's festival about. I told in nutshell, but things which are important should learn. I told it in detail. Thank you very much. How to get the mercy of the Lord. Serve others who are dear to him. There are the pure devotees, Prabhupada. We should follow Prabhupada. And our life will be sublime. We'll get the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda. Go back to God easily. If you are serious. Everything is all imagination, is all phony. You become complacent here. After your trouble gone, you are joyful. You say, this is what Prabhupada says, the reality. Many devotees forget to go back to God. Take it easy. Nice life, chanting, dancing, feasting. But you have to die and again may come to Hare Krishna. But we should not forget, better go back. Got it. Take it seriously. Hare Krishna. Chiradi Mahotsav ki. Joining Chiradi Mahotsav ki. Those who are. Haribol. Now everybody there, na? Go there. Huh? There, Krishna village. Yes, question. Prasadam. Feast. Very good. But not Chiradri. Very nice. You should have festival often. Festival means everybody is joyful. Somebody sad, like to enjoy sadly. Others enjoy eating. Doesn't matter. Both get blessing. Better to be serving role. Question, comment? Hello? Hello? Haribo, this is our life. Often feast, often chanting, dancing, feasting, serving. If you enjoy this way you realize Krishna. Not have to push nose, standing on head, doing tapasya. Tremendous hot, put fire around and Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Not at all. You can't please Krishna. Just serve. The mic, give it to him. Ask relevant question, and I have limitation. What I know from my Guru.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, done it now. Thank you for the wonderful class.
You are welcome.
Maharaj, my question was, Raghunatha, you mentioning that a Krishna conscious person does not need to do austerities which a yogi or an impersonalist might be engaged in.
Little bit do, just like what Prabhupada said. Get up early in the morning. You may not feel like coming. Yes? You think, I enjoy in a blanket, electric blanket sometimes. But this much you have to do. You have to go Mangal Arati. You must clap. This tapasya you should do. This is expected. Don't give up tapasya completely. Then you will be bhogi. Then you will be rogi. Others will become yogi. What do you want? Want to become yogi? Then you have to do little tapasya. Minimum. Little tapasya. What you have bad habit before. Some say it is not Krishna Prasad. Krishna did not say onion, garlic. You like mushroom, soup. Here I don't see. People take mushrooms, roasted mushroom. Krishna is watching, rascal. It is the mode of ignorance. Pattam pushpam phalam tam. Okay, I give all the mushroom, is prasad. You want to eat, that is why giving to Krishna. Krishna does not take. Mushroom is like a fungus type thing. Krishna is mode of goodness. Even the demigods, Urvashi, he wanted to marry some guy, and he said, one condition is there. It is always like that. What is the condition? One of the condition is, you always come to me in dress. Without dress, don't come. Another, then I will go away. Without dress, you come to me. Another, I must have whatever food I eat, must be made with ghee. Just like the West. I must have cream every day. West, people like cream very much, I've seen. Huh? Here also. Maybe sour cream, Gauranga potato. I heard somebody say, Maharaj, don't go. Why? Today will be Gauranga potato. Okay, whatever you say. One leader asking. Nice. This is okay to offer to Krishna. Focus. Yes?
So, Mahaprabhu is telling Raghunath Das Goswami that you need not renounce everything so soon. and serve your family and be happy with do your duties well.
You ask
But
your guru what you should do and he'll tell.
But later on, when Raghunath Das Goswami finally is relieved of his material bondages, and
He's saying overnight, don't be, to teach us. Raghunath Das is the associate of the Lord. The meaning, when Nityananda Prabhu is saying that you are a thief, you are like a thief, you are always hiding yourself. It simply means they don't know. He is already Bhagavad Parshad to teach us. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling him like that.
so which instruction should we follow? Should we follow the first instruction?
Don't copy Raghunath Das Goswami. Take the lesson from him. Don't imitate a devotee which is long time serving. Many devotees does that. Hey, why eating so little? Why he is not eating so many palatable dishes? Don't copy, because you copy him, you will do. You don't have developed that thing, higher taste. So when nobody is there, you are. At that time, you are not taking gulab jam. No, I don't want. Nobody is there. 50 gulab jam. Only 20 people you rest, yeah. Nobody is seeing. Krishna is watching. I see. You say you are renounced and try to enjoy. Rascal, I will give you a good lesson. You learn in a hard way. Don't try to cheat Krishna. The material world is like that. Either saying something, doing something different maybe. But spiritual world is not like this. Be transparent. May be difficult, nah? You have to practice. You not, everybody. Depending on how much you did devotional service before. All this sitting here, maybe none of us saw each other before. But maybe past life we did each of us something. So Krishna has put us together, though come from different background. Yes or no? Why? Because we did service to Krishna. Krishna again brought us together. And we left our own near and dear one. Why? Because of this. Krishna can do. Krishna's mercy. Still my is so strong, we go away. No? Yes or no? Yes, depends on how strong you are. Sometimes, as the years goes, we see, learn many things. Very few stays. Just like you go to kindergarten school, primary school, so many students. As you go higher, many are eliminated. Everybody will be tested. Each of us will be tested till you leave the body. Yes or no? And longer one stays, it means he has some purity. Without purity, all these things more or less hollow. But it will be recorded, permanent. Next time, whatever you did, after that you start. Make sense? Hello? Hello? Make sense? Yes? But other thing, whatever you be, you may be Elon Musk. And next may not be human life. It's all temporary. Any moment Krishna can snatch away. Kick on your face. Get out. Better do what is permanent value, Krishna consciousness. Make sense? Hello? Have strong conviction. Then you can make advancement. Make sense? That is why asatoma, don't stay in impermanent platform. Everything is there permanent. Outside this, everything is like that. People are running for nothing, working so hard. The result is 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Our 0 plus 0 plus, put 1. Krishna. So many times. Service done. Permanent, cannot be destroyed. Saving account in the spiritual world. Others, Elon Musk, maybe a mosquito next life. Then millions of life again, then you get the chance again. Human love, then you can chant Hare Krishna, come to ISKCON. So you're going to Hungry Jack, King Burger, come to ISKCON. Karma-free Burger King. Go back to Godhead. Hari Bol. Thank you very much. Everybody.